Hello, today we will see how to easily make a start rail like this. You will need the following elements: a camera and a lens. Take a wide angle, here I have an 18mm. You will also need a tripod to hold the camera when you take pictures. It don't need to be very big or expensive. And an intervalometer. This will allow you to take pictures automatically. Also take some warm clothes and something to watch a movie because it will be a bit long. After you have all the equipment, you need to choose a location with a cleared and well-visible sky. Now, you need to choose what will be at the foreground of your picture. I suggest you rocks or trees like here. Keep in mind that if you want a circle like me, you need to have the North Star in your frame because the Earth turns around it. Now you have your frame, you can place the equipment. First, the tripod. It needs to be enough stable to don't move during the pictures. After that, the camera. For the settings, you need to be at maximum light. So open your lens at max, the ISO around 1600, and the speed all the way up to 30 seconds. For the other settings like the focus, we need to come back at night. So we're here again at night. You can now put your lens in manual mode. To make the focus, you need to aim for a bright and far point, like the North Star or a city. You need to zoom on it and make the focus manually. After that, you can plug the intervalometer and block the button so you can start making pictures. Now you can let your camera for like an hour. After a night of sleep, you will have many files like this. Put them into a folder and then open Photoshop. Go to Files, Script, load files in a stack, then select all your files and open and OK. After all the pictures are loaded, select them all, go to Fusion mode and then select Lighten. After all of this, you will have your start rail. See you soon for a new video.